Hey, how is everyone doing today? As you can see, I have deployed a clone of ChatGPT UI, but this one has better features. So basically, you can have search on the left. You can see here. You can search your threads and then you can create folders. Then you can have your own collection of prompts. But do remember, this is still local storage, means it doesn't synchronize anywhere. It will stay with your browser storage. But for a lot of people, this is fine because they want to use it for personal uses and everything is private. So nothing goes to the server. It just communicates with the OpenAI and the plugin keys, which is Google Search plugin using API. So before we want to deploy these, we need to have few things on hand. First thing, we need to have a Vercel account. So Vercel.com, a lot of free options, more than good enough, and they allow custom domains, so you can assign your own domain, even in the free plan. This is one of the best places for developers to test out these kind of apps. So I'm going to show the simplest way you can deploy these in less than 2 minutes. Let's move to that. So you will need two things at hand for this one. Basically, you need an OpenAI key that works. In addition, you will also need either GitHub or GitLab account because you want to store Git-based repository. Very simple, very easy to do. I hope it will help you out. So I'm moving on to that. So the first one is the GitHub repository. So I'm going to show the repository first. So here is the repository. This is the chatbot UI. You can see a demo if you want. Let me zoom up the screen so you can see better. You can see a deploy button here. So this is a Vercel, and you can also use Docker in your local machine. If you do not want to go to all these complications, let me just show you the simplest one to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click deploy. Now it is asking me to create a Git repository, which is I have already logged in with GitLab. I called it my ChatGPT UI. So what I'm going to do, create a private Git repository. As you can see, I'm in a hobby plan in Vercel.com. So go ahead and create an account in there. I will put link in the video. Now I put this name over here. You can choose whatever name you want to put. Then go ahead and press create. You can see it is starting to deploy and now it is building. The next step is deployment, and it will check the code and assign a temporary domain. And this is it. It says congratulations. You can add your own custom domain to this and you can enable the speed insights. So that's about it for this. So I can click this and that's it. It's done. So you can create your own prompt library. You can create new prompts. You can import or export data in JSON format. So dark mode or light mode, you can save it, and your OpenAI API key over here. That's it. Then later on, you can go into the Vercel project, and here you can assign your custom domain and whatever not. So the total time spent is 2 minutes plus, including showing you the interface parts. If you like this video, I will do the next one for AutoGPT. So let me know in the comment. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. I'll see you again.